Welcome, and here we're looking at the US bonds, and just carrying on from yesterday. One of the things that we're looking at yesterday was the bonds moving down based on 2 points, a 5-wave structure moving down and a 3-wave counter trend. So we're expecting it to move lower. Now, the bonds moving lower would be supporting the S&P 500 and the general stock market, and that seems to be the case. So this is the sort of sentiment, I guess, as such. So when we're looking at the S&P 500, we can see that it has moved up through here. It hasn't made a new high here. There's a pretty good case for a 5-wave structure down through here, as we're talking about. The move up through here has moved through the 61.8%, but it's around the square root of 61.8. So there's also a little tiny gap at 1842, which we're sort of looking to target there as well. So we've had a few scenarios here. The scenario that we're following was this one here from yesterday, with 5 waves down, 3 waves back up, and 5 down. So at the moment we're looking at being, in very close to the top in this little section here. But of course, if the market makes a new high above here, then obviously we're going to be going higher, and we'll have to reassess this particular wave count through here and consider this wave 2. I'm pretty sure that this is the only place where this could be is in sort of here, and would be taking this particular path through here and moving further up quite strongly from that point. But so we just really need to allow this to play out, but let's drill in there and have a look at the details. So, we're looking for 5 waves down through here, and that's fine. So we'll look for a retracement back up 61.8% or thereabouts. So it's moved through that. I think it's probably about here somewhere. There is a little gap on the cash market at 1842. So that's what we're sort of focused on there a little bit. So it can fade from here. We just need to be aware of that. We can see that the Australian market and the FTSE have got higher to move. So, I wonder if these have got higher to move as well. But as you can see from here, we've got a pretty clear 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down through to here. But this is a rally here. Yeah, look, it's not that sort of clear on the 15 minutes. I wonder if I can get it on the 2 minutes. No, it's a bit messy there as well. But basically what we're looking for here is up for the A wave, back for the B wave, and then we're looking for 5 waves up for the C wave here, like this here, and then fading over from this point here. So we really need to, we really need to allow this, just to finish playing out here in terms of the structure. There's nothing I can sort of really do or say about that. But I mean, as I mentioned yesterday and this morning as well, the bonds moving down, really gives this credence to move up there further. Same for the Dow Jones as well. We've got the little 5 waves down through here, and we're looking for an A and a B and a C back through here. So look, it can fail from here and roll over. So I don't want to particularly make a call there. But obviously, if new highs get taken out through here, then obviously we're going to be going higher, and we have to sort of reassess this situation as well. But yeah, the DAX. Look, here's quite a nice ABC, because the DAX and the S&P kind of move together. So if we pull apart this situation here, just for the exercise of it, the B wave, the ABC rally would be the A wave and the B wave to here. Okay, then we're looking for a C wave up. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be wave 1 and wave 2 here. This would be all the 3rd wave, the 4th wave, and then the 5th wave would have 5 little waves in it too that can be the same size as this particular one here. So we could be looking at it like this situation here. So as the A, the B, and the C here. So as you can see, we really need for this to play out through here. in terms of the trading levels, you'd be long off this retested support here, this corrective move here, and then you'd be looking trading up to group 1, which would be 96.30, exiting, waiting to see if that 96.30 becomes a retested support, and then move on from that point there. So once again, we just really need this to play out. Now, the FTSE and the Australian market are a little bit different. So coming back from this previous low here, we're looking for same as the Australian market, looking for the top of a fifth wave. So the way that I can count this is up for 1 and back for 2 here. And then all the way, all with 5 waves here, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 for the third wave here. The fourth wave in blue, which is then the fifth wave in blue here. And there'll be 5 waves between the 2 blue points here, the 1, the 2, and then 5 waves up here for wave 3, back for wave 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for the fifth of the fifth. That's sort of what we're looking for there. That could extend a little bit higher here. I haven't really pulled this apart here, but I can see that's 1 and 2 here, so the third wave will be up here, 4th and 5th. So that's moving up there. So, and the Australian market is the same as well. Just looking at the weekly chart here, the market's just pushed through these old highs now here at 48 and 54.60 here, so it's just pushed through that. So that's, but you might have to contest that in the opening hours for our market. So essentially, we're still looking for we know we've got this as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. So we're still looking. I thought we had it, but obviously not. We're still looking for the top here, and we've got to come in at around this 5,500 here, and then we'll get our ABC here. So just drilling into that scenario here, this is what it sort of looks like on the 4-hour chart. So we'd be looking at this as a wave 3 and 4 in here, and then 5 waves up to the 5,500 here, pretty much the same as the FTSE. And just drilling into the 1 hour here, I've gone through this and looked at the errors of my ways. I'm still quite happy with this whole situation here of the 1, the 2, and then all the third wave up to here, which would basically be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here, sorry, and then 1 fourth to here, then this little fifth wave here, then the A, the B in 3 waves, and the C here for the fourth, and then looking for the fifth wave up here, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 up into this area through here. Did I do some work on here? Yeah, I did do some work here. So coming in from wave 4 here, this would count as 5 waves up for wave 1, back for wave 2 in blue, and then we're looking for wave 3 up through here. So I don't think we've got to the top of wave 3 yet, and then there'll be wave 4, and then there'll be wave 5 coming up into here. So we're still cranking up here, and of course this will be the top of wave 1 up through here. So it just continues to extend and climb, and all I can do is count the waves as they move up, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the A, the B, and the C here for 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for here. So this is the fourth here. Sideways correction is corrective. So pretty much going long, but going through the group 2 here, you're going to get the 3 and the 4 happening through here, but we should see that continue to the upside there. Alrighty, thanks for listening.